Hey yo, what's up, kind of crew? So today we're going to make a science project. I did like a bit off camera to create this one. So here we go. Here's are the materials that you need: water with container, a kitchen towel, coloring pens, and the last one is the coin that for some reason I put free and my classmate didn't put free. They think it's a $1. They just think I'm pranking them, so they give me dollars. So first step, you have to cut a circle with a snap. That is our circle. We're gonna cut a circle in the circle. Tell your mom to do this, or you can help your mom to do this, because scissors are pretty dangerous. This is the dangerous one that I can have. Let's see. I didn't mention that the only dark colors that I can find. Most of them are white. So I choose green. Make this a circle, trying to make it like a pyramid that the tip got broken, and carefully put it stand. I did it. Finally, after 10 tries, here we go. First try. You had to wait. I just wash my hands while scratching. No, it's story time. When I wanted to give away free snacks. So after lunch, I decided to give snacks to my classmates. And for the first time I gave away snacks, but my classmate doesn't believe me, and they just give me a $20, 2 5s. 25 cents. 20 pesos. 20 pesos. Now after waiting, this is the result. You have to wait until it gets big like the last time. So realistic. So, story time. So, when I was in ST, this is the result. It had to be a bigger. Time to cut with a dangerous weapon. A tiny scissors. You know why it's dangerous? My hands are too small. My fingers are big, so 3, 2, 1, cut. This is my first. Oh god. I can't cut it. This is the result of my science experiment, chromatography.